Hello students, I am H.S. Palyal from GIC Salonge. Today we will study the poem The Road Not Taken, composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, the road symbolizes our life. The path we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. The path which we have chosen decides our future, our destination. So, the poet wants to convey an important message that the choice that we make has an impact on our future. And if we make a wrong choice, we regret it but can't go back on it. So, we must be wise while making choices. The poem is two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Here, the poet says, once he was walking down a road, then there was a diversion. There were two different paths, and he had to choose one out of them. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. He is saying that when he was in the forest, he saw two different paths and he had to choose one out of them. As the poet was all alone, so he could travel on one road only. Here, Yellowwood represents a world which is full of people. And be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. The poet kept standing there and looked at the path very carefully as far as he could. He wanted to know if it was suitable for him. He saw it from where it was curved and covered with trees and hidden. The same thing happens in our life also when we have choices and alternatives. The second stanza is, then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. In the second stanza, the poet at first the poet looked towards the first path, and then he kept on looking at the other path for a long time. Then he decides and started walking on another path, because he thought that the both paths were equally good. He thought that the path was better for him because it was unused. He says it was grassy and wanted wear, means where not many people had walked on this path earlier. When he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that in our life every path have benefits, disadvantages, problems and challenges. In the third stanza, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. In the third stanza, the poet says that morning both paths were similar, and both that morning equally lay, means both paths were similar because no one had stepped on them. As in leaves no step had trodden black, as they were still green in color. The poet took one path and keep the other path for another day. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Here he says, I took one path and keep the other path for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. He knew that one way leads on to another way and he could not go back. The same things happen in our life. Once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option. As we know that we can't come back or we can't change our choices. In the fourth stanza, I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. In this stanza, the poet says that, taking a deep breath, he thought about that day. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Means he took a deep breath and thought about that day or time when he had reached such a point in life that there were two options for him and he had to choose only one. I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the differences. The decision of his decided his future. It made what you became in your life. So you should be wise and careful while making choices. प्यारे बच्चों, कवि ने इस कविता के माध्यम से हमारे जीवन में आने वाले ऐसे मोड़ों के संबंध में बताया है जबकि हम ऐसे समय पर पहुंचते हैं, ऐसे स्थान पर पहुंचते हैं जहां पर हमें अपने जीवन में चयन की आवश्यकता होती है, विकल्प चुनने की आवश्यकता होती है। ऐसी स्थिति में यदि हमारा विकल्प सही है तो हम अपने उद्देश्य को प्राप्त करने में सफल होते हैं, और यदि हमारा चयन गलत है तो उसके पश्चात हम केवल पछतावा कर पाते हैं